We are going to explain in this problem if the points a6 comma 1 b8 comma 2 c9 comma a and dp comma 3 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, then find the value of p. Okay, here given that four coordinate points are vertices of parallelogram, given that here taken in order, I mean parallelogram condition applying here, then find the value of p. Okay, first of all, here given coordinates considered, given coordinates given coordinates a here 6 comma 1 and b 8 comma 2, next b 8 comma 2, c 9 comma 4, d p comma 3. Given that in this problem, given four coordinates are parallelogram, vertices of parallelogram. So here draw the parallelogram. This is parallelogram. Here A, B, C, D or four vertices. Given coordinates in four vertices of a parallelogram, A 6 comma 1, next B 8 comma 2, C 9 comma 4, next D p comma 3. Okay, and parallelogram, this parallelogram AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. So in this given four coordinate points, satisfying vertices of a parallelogram, then find out the value of p. Okay, we know that condition in parallelogram two diagonals AC and BD and also equals to midpoint of AC and equals to midpoint of BD. In parallelogram condition satisfied, midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD. So here write midpoint of diagonal AC equals to midpoint of diagonal BD. Okay, first of all, now find out midpoint of diagonal AC. So A points and C coordinate points considered here. What is A coordinate points? 6 comma 1 and C coordinate points 9 comma 4. So midpoint formula, now find out midpoint of diagonal BD, AC. First of all, so A coordinates and C coordinate considered here. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now diagonal AC midpoint equals to formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, that equals to, here x1 means 6 plus y1 means, sorry, x1 plus x2 formula. So x1 means 6, x2 means 9 by 2 comma y1, y1 means 1 plus y2 means 4 by 2. midpoint of midpoint of diagonal AC that equals to 15 by 2, 9 plus 6 comma 5 by 2. Therefore AC. Okay, now we are going to prove that midpoint of midpoint of diagonal point of diagonal BD. Formula means x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here considered b coordinates. What is b coordinates? 8 comma 2. Okay, this is x1 y1 and d coordinates. What is d coordinates? And this given problem p comma 3. P comma 3 considered x2 y2. So here applying in this formula, that equals to what is x1 8 plus what is x2 p by 2 comma what is y1 2 plus what is y2 3 by 2. y1 plus y2, sorry, y1 plus y2. y1 means 2, y2 means 3. So this is 8 plus p by 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, this is midpoint of diagonal of midpoint of BD. In this parallelogram, condition satisfied, midpoint of diagonal AC equals to midpoint of diagonal BD. Therefore, condition we know that midpoint of diagonal AC equals to midpoint of diagonal BD. Okay, what is the midpoint of diagonal AC? 15 by 2 comma 5 by 2. 15 by 2 comma 5 by 2 and equals to what is diagonal of midpoint of BD? 8 plus p by 2 comma 5 by 2. 8 plus p by 2 comma 5 by 2. So in this coordinate x y values, here also in this coordinate x comma y. Now prove that p value. So in this coordinate x value and here in this coordinate x value equating here. So 8 plus p by 2 equals to 15 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. That implies 8 plus p equals to 15. We want p value. P equals to 15 minus 8. That implies p equals to 15 minus 8 means 7. P value means 7. Okay, hence prove that p value 7 by the given problem satisfying given four coordinates a, b, c, d or the vertices of parallelogram. Okay, thank you.